Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.1, Problem 5. This is Section 3.1, Problem 5. It says write the fraction as a decimal, and we have a fraction of 33 over 1,000, or 33 1,000ths. So, as we write this value as a decimal, we'll have the 33 from the numerator. But I can't just start with a decimal in front of the 33. I have to have as many places after that decimal as I have zeros in the denominator of my fraction. My fraction has 3 zeros in it. I need to have 3 places after the decimal. So if I start with a decimal right in front of the first 3, I only have 2 places. So I have to come over one more spot and fill that with a 0. So it'd be 0.033. That's equivalent to 33 over 1,000. And you can leave it as 0.033, that's fine. Or if you prefer, you can write 0.033. That's the same, so you could write that either way.